Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Guys, today is our topic about Verizon Business Sports. Verizon Business Support is a robust service tailored to meet the communications and connectivity needs of business. It encompasses a wide range of sports features aimed at ensuring seamless on and addressing any challenges that may arise. Here are key aspects of Verizon Business Sports. Technical assistance. Verizon Business Sports provides technical supports for a variety of services, including telecommunications, internet, and data solutions. Their experts teams are equipped to troubleshoot issues, resolve technically glitches, and guide business through any challenges they are may encounter. Account management. Business can rely on Verizon for efficient account management services. This include assistance with billing inquiries, plans, customizations, and account optimizations. This goal is to help business make informed decisions about their communication services and ensuring costs effectiveness. Customization solutions. Re- Recognizing that different business have unique needs, Verizon offers customized solution, whether it's tailoring communications plans, adjusting bandwidth requirements, or integrating specific services. Business can work with Verizon to create a package that align with their operational requirements. Multi-channel support. Verizon Business Sports can be accessed through various channels, providing flexibility for business. Whether contacting support via phone, email, or online chat, business have options to choose the most convenient and efficient means of communications. Service level agreements. Guys, to ensure reliability and performances, Verizon offers established service level agreements with business clients. These agreements outline the expected level of services, including response times and issues, resolutions, benchmarks. Service level agreements offers business confidence in the reliability of their communications infrastructures. Proactive monitoring. Beyond reactive sports, Verizon may offer proactive monitoring services. And this involves keeping a close eyes on a business networking and communication services to identify and address potential issues before they impact operations. Thanks for watching my videos.